You go put your on lockdown.
Chaddy
Put your body on lockdown.
Andrew Holness definitely put the country on lockdown. Jano Star. These new COVID measures are insane. A bag of people are talking about it. And we are going to talk about it as well. You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If at the first time you check out the Chaddy TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. And people, don't forget, we have the merch them over teespring.com/store/ChaddyTV. So go on over there, go get one, man. Support the movement, support the channel. So people, we're going to talk about that and more topics. But first, let's vibe to Zip Drop Bambino version of Coffee Lockdown. In kind of put a twist to it. People, listen keenly.
They know where to go. When the curfew I got done, nobody don't know. Them say you better put your mask on, yeah. Do it faster than a fast car. My nostrils feeling it, and sometimes I can't breathe in it, but I gotta deal with it, yo. Say A19, you're there on the scene before March 15. A million times I sanitize me hand and I washing up my van and my car. I got my antigen. You have the city on lockdown. Party business pop down. Couldn't tell when last me shop now. My shoes all a dry rat now. Chaddy TV. Tell them to move from there.
Yeah. Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
No do that.
Ready? Alright, this is solanie. Remember the 4th of March. The 5th is my birthday, but I keep my birthday on my 9 night. The 4th, that means the next week, Thursday, is my 9 night. Come on, see how my 9 night should look. Everybody keep them 9 night when they dead. Me I keep my one when me alive. That's when me dead, nobody keep no more. Just keep set up and bury me. You understand? Good this is to miss. Remember, right a world boss, and yes, they come shell it. You understand? 100 lane top.
Apart from Solanie saying to this is to miss.
Good this is to miss.
Smaddy really inbox the Prime Minister of Jamaica and asks, oh, you feel lock off Salome 9 night? Hashtag very rude. Yo, John Star, I'm telling you, Jamaica is definitely not a real place. And then just hours after the Prime Minister announced the new COVID-19 protocols, a barrage of memes start go round. Because one of the interesting points in the new protocols was burial can't go on. So no burial, no funeral, nothing pertaining dead from the 8th of March to the 22nd of March. If you have your dead, you have to go make them stay on freezer. You cannot bury them. So it raised a lot of flag now. I say, yo, why? Wedding can't go on and burial can't go on. Anyway, I'm going to share some of the memes with you, and then we share some reaction from the Jamaican public and some artists and some public figures as well. But check out these memes. So people, because the party scene now really work again, bro God lock down everything, people create, some innovative way to enjoy themselves. So now, I'm going to share with you a very innovative way to shop. Look at this party store. At the end of the day, we have to find like ways like these to enjoy ourselves, because we don't see what go on. The case them arise for true, you see me? And we still in the middle of a pandemic, you see me? So we have to find stuff like these to enjoy ourselves. I only hope say one person see what go on and say, yo, you know, say that not supposed to go on and lock it down. I swear. But people, let me know in the comment section what you think about stuff like this. Now, Jamaicans are react to the whole lockdown situation. And one of the biggest issue we have is internet connectivity. Because remember now, Andrew Wellness tell everybody if it's stand at them yard, basically. School them lockdown. All of the school, public and private school. So, one concerned Jamaican had this to say. So the entire country is back with online classes. And we, the citizens, are calling on OUR, Darrell Vaz, and Faval Williams. Something need to be done regarding Flow Jamaica. It's really getting out of hand now with them. Their service is crap. If breeze blow, the net blow with it. If rain fall, the net fall with it. If Jamaica have flood, the net flood too. Sick and tired of them now. That being said, Digicel, look how close the head office is to Manly Meadows. And all know we can't get Digiplay. Me tired of Flow now, man. Flow a go kill me before COVID-19. Now people, me totally understand what that person has said because of Flow service me have. And whenever the internet goes down, which that is quite often, it take at least 2 days for them check on it to see what's wrong. And then if them take out, send a technician to the area, it take like probably the next 2-3 days. So sometimes you all end up a week without the internet. So some of the new measures, as I said before, include no burial, no funeral, nobody no fi dead within the next 2 weeks. Starting from the 8th to the 22nd. Alright, no funeral. But wedding can keep. If you have a bar, a zoo, or any amusement park, it have to lock up by 6 o'clock. Private school and public school are closed with the exception of persons who are doing exit exams, such as PEP and CXCs. Those are the new changes. I mean, they have more, but those are the major new changes. Tell me in the comment section what you think about those changes. And people, enough about what Andrew said and what going on in the press conference yesterday. But right now, I'm going to share with you Love from a Distance, the concert, which is a highlight of I'm gonna share the clips with Beres Hammond and Popcaan performing on stage. And people, if you miss that concert, just go watch it. But the concert did bad, the production did bad, the quality did good, the audio good, everything was perfect, excellent. But I'm going to go into this short clip with Popcaan and Beres Hammond. Alright, so people, check it out.
A living legend. Salute. Love. Run it. Yeah. 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 All I know is God is holy. Protect your life, it's your one and only. Evil people will kill you slowly. All I know is God is holy. Protect your life, it's your one and only. Evil people will kill you slowly. You see, faith is the key that opens all doors. If you believe, patient, my brother, and you will receive, yes. Oh, be not offended by negative things that people say. Boy, Papi, you sing again, say. All I know is God is holy. Protect your life. it's your one and only. Evil people will kill you slowly. Say it again, say. All I know is God is holy. Protect your life, it's your one and only. Evil people will kill you slowly. All I know, boy, lifetime contract. Me and God never lose contract. Pagan well warm and stop. Them want eat man food like snack. Them judge we hard. Stereotype man true man black. See the enemy a push them trap. Almighty a switch them back. Just fear no evil as you go on. Keep praising. Another day is done. Lord, I know, Lord, you're family. The reason you're don't let me rest. The reason cry out to the poor and needy is be careful where them are feeding. Just be calm and be gentle. Respect everyone. Could be your father, your mother, and your sister, and your brother, yeah. No family, Miss Rona pray for me. No evil us, no envious cannot devour me. Stay far from poverty, Jah rule my destiny. What kind of shit run and buries I know it. All I know is God is holy. Protect your life, it's your one and only. Evil people will kill you slowly. All I know is God is holy. Protect your life, it's your one and only. Evil people will kill you slowly. Yeah, your life precious is one. Three islands say we have to give thanks, yeah. When you wake up, you have to give thanks. And before you sleep, you have to give thanks, yeah. Jah guide way out on the highway. Love to see them living in love like highway. When all is said and done, it's one. One life we gotta live, it's one. Oh. All I know is God is holy. God is holy. Protect your life, it's your one and only. It's the one and only you got. Evil people will kill you slowly. Gonna kill you. Watch your back, yes. All I know is God is holy. Protect your life, it's your one and only. Evil people will kill you slowly.